Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make the viral TikTok Turkish pasta, so let's get started with the video. We're going to begin by preparing our ingredients. First, roughly chop some Italian parsley. Next, dice half an onion. Then slice a cup of cherry tomatoes in half. And finally, mince 3 to 4 cloves of garlic. When you're finished preparing your ingredients, set them to the side. Now we're going to make the yogurt sauce. In a bowl, add 1½ cups of plain Greek yogurt. Next, add the juice from half a lemon, the minced garlic we prepared before, and ½ teaspoon of salt. Then mix everything together until well combined. When you're finished making the yogurt sauce, set it to the side. Next, we're going to cook the noodles. In a pot filled with water, add salt. Then bring the water to a boil and add Blvd pasta. Cook the pasta for however long it says to on the box. While the pasta is cooking, we're going to cook the beef. In a large pan over medium heat, add 1 pound of ground beef. Then break up the beef. When you're finished, season the beef with seasoned salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, a bit of curry powder, and paprika. After you finish seasoning the beef, continue to cook it for a few minutes or until it's almost cooked through. Then add your diced onions. After adding the onions, continue to cook the beef until it is crispy. Once the beef is cooked and crispy, take it off the heat and set it to the side. Next, we're going to make the butter sauce. In a small pan over medium heat, add 4 tablespoons of butter. Once the butter has melted, add 1 tablespoon of paprika. Then mix everything together until well combined. Now that everything is prepared, we can go ahead and assemble our pasta. In a bowl, add the Blvd pasta, then add the yogurt sauce, the ground beef, the sliced cherry tomatoes, the chopped parsley, and finally pour the butter sauce on top. And that's it, you're all done. And this is the finished result. This recipe is easy and healthy. I'll have a link to the original TikTok recipe down in the description. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!